53 must-know concepts to master for the Metal Fabricator Red Seal License Exam. Dive into 53 must-know concepts necessary for acing the Metal Fabricator Red Seal License Exam. Access comprehensive preparation materials at www.cannycollege.com to ensure you are fully prepared for success. 1. Performs safety-related functions. Demonstrates knowledge and practice of safety protocols and procedures to ensure a secure working environment for oneself and others. 2. Maintains a safe work environment. Regularly ensures that the work area is free from potential hazards and that all safety measures are in place to prevent accidents or injuries. He uses personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment, wears appropriate gear such as gloves, helmets, goggles, etc., and utilizes safety tools or machinery to protect against potential risks. Maintains hand, power, layout, and measuring tools and equipment. Regularly checks, cleans, and calibrates various tools such as drills, saws, rulers, and measuring devices to ensure they are in optimal working condition. 5. Maintains stationary machinery. Conducts routine maintenance checks on fixed machinery to keep them operational and safe for use. 6. Maintains cutting and welding equipment. Ensures that cutting torches, welding machines, and related equipment are well maintained and in good working order. 7. Uses access equipment. Safely operates platforms, ladders, scaffolds, or other equipment to access elevated or hard-to-reach areas. 8. Organizes work, plans, and schedules tasks efficiently to maximize productivity and output, maintaining a structured workflow. 9. Interprets plans, drawings, and specifications. Understands and effectively reads technical drawings, blueprints, and project plans to accurately follow fabrication instructions. 10. Communicates with others. Engages in clear and concise communication with team members, supervisors, or clients to coordinate tasks and exchange relevant information. And organizes project tasks. Manages different aspects of a project, allocates resources effectively, and ensures that all activities are coordinated to meet project deadlines. 12. Performs quality assurance throughout fabrication and assembly process. Monitors and assesses the quality of work at various stages of fabrication and assembly to maintain high standards of craftsmanship. 13. Performs visual inspections. Conducts visual inspections of finished products or components to identify any defects or imperfections. 14. Verifies measurements, welds, and layout. Checks and confirms the accuracy of dimensions, welds, and overall layout to meet specified requirements. 15. Tracks materials and parts for traceability. Records and keeps track of the origin, usage, and movement of materials and parts to maintain traceability and accountability. 16. Organize material. Arrange and store materials properly to ensure easy access, prevent damage, and maintain a tidy work environment. 17. Determines weights. Calculates the weight of materials accurately for various fabrication purposes. 18. Applies rigging practices, utilizes proper rigging techniques and equipment to lift and move heavy materials or components safely. 19. Operates material handling equipment. Safely operates machinery like forklifts, cranes, hoists, etc. to transport materials within the workspace. 20. Performs layout. Arrange and mark out the position of components or structures on a workpiece according to the specified requirements. 21. Performs pattern development. Develops the template or outline to be used as a guide for cutting or shaping a material. 22. Calculates material allowances for various processes. Computes the additional material required to compensate for any loss or distortion during fabrication processes. 3. Determines dimensions. Identifies the measurements and sizes needed for cutting, bending, or forming the material accurately. 24. Transfers dimensions. Transfers measurements or dimensions from a blueprint or drawing onto the actual material to guide the fabrication process. 25. Makes templates, creates a pattern or model that can be used as a guide for repetitive or standard fabrication tasks. 26. Cuts material using manual plasma cutting equipment. Uses a handheld plasma cutter to slice through metal with precision and speed. 27. Cuts material using manual oxy-fuel cutting equipment. Utilizes an oxy-fuel torch to cut through thick metal by heating it to combustion. 8. Cuts material using shears. Cuts metal sheets or plates using mechanical shears, providing a straight and clean edge. 29. Cuts material using saws. Utilizes various types of saws like band saws or circular saws to cut metal accurately to required lengths. 30. Cuts material using ironworkers. Operates ironworker machines that can punch, shear, and notch metal with multiple functionalities. 31. Cuts material using computer numerically controlled CNC equipment. Programs and operates CNC machines to cut metal precisely as per the provided design. 32. Drill holes. Uses drills to create holes of various sizes in metal components for fastening or connecting purposes. 33. Cuts threads. Creates threads on metal parts by using tapping tools or machines for attaching nuts or bolts. 34. Prepares joints. Prepares the edges or surfaces of metal parts to be joined together through welding or fastening methods. 35. Forms material using plate rollers. Bends metal sheets or plates into curved shapes by passing them through plate rollers. 36. Forms material using shape rollers. Bends metal into predefined shapes or contours using specialized shaping rollers. 37. Forms material using conventional and computer numerically controlled CNC press brakes. Uses press brakes to bend metal sheets or plates to desired angles, either manually or through CNC programming. 8. Forms material using benders. Utilizes bending machines to shape metal tubes, pipes, or bars into specific geometries. 39. Applies heat for forming. Uses heat sources like torches, furnaces, or heat guns to soften metal for shaping or forming processes, such as bending or forging. 40. Assembles jigs, constructs fixtures or templates used to hold and position workpieces during fabrication or assembly processes to ensure accuracy. 41. Determines proper sequence for assembly. Identifies the correct order in which various components or parts need to be assembled to ensure efficiency and accuracy. 42. Assembles subcomponents and components. Puts together smaller parts or sections to create larger components or structures according to the project specifications. 3. Sets fabricated components in place. Positions or arrange the fabricated parts or components in their designated locations for final assembly or installation. Or fastens components on site. Secures different parts or components together, using fastening methods such as welding, bolting, riveting, or adhesive bonding. 45. Performs welding activities, joins metal parts together using various welding techniques like stick welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, or flux cord arc welding. 46. Applies heat before tack welding, prepares the metal surfaces by heating them slightly before tack welding to facilitate proper fusion and penetration. 7. Performs tack welding, performs temporary welds at strategic points to hold components in place before making the final welds. 48. Minimizes welding distortions, takes measures to reduce or control the warping or distortion of metal caused by welding processes to maintain accurate dimensions. 49. Applies welding processes, selects and applies appropriate welding methods, settings, and consumables to achieve the desired weld quality and strength. 50. Corrects welding distortions, rectifies any deformation or misalignment caused by welding by using corrective techniques such as heat treatment or mechanical straightening. 51. Completes project, finishes all fabrication, assembly, and finishing tasks related to the project to meet the specified requirements and deadlines. 52. Determine the finishing process, identify the appropriate surface treatment or coating method to enhance the appearance and protection of the final product. 53. Prepares material for finishing, cleanse, degreases, sands, or applies any necessary surface treatment to the material before applying the finishing coat or treatment.